Hello, my fellow hardineras and hardineras. Welcome to my vlog. Our topic for today is not something very happy but very interesting to talk about since napapanahon siya ngayon. Okay, so I said transplanting is like being retrenched or being redundated from a company. So, paano na naman yan, Ma'am Claude? E di maghintay ulit kayo until the end of this video. Ang kamatis ang mag-i-explain yan sa atin for today. Okay, ang storya ng tomato, i-relate natin siya. When I was just starting my urban garden, kung mapansin nyo, sapat na to, ayan, sapat na ito, may dalawang puno ng tomatoes, okay? So, because during the time, I thought that itong size ng pot na to, okay, can accommodate two plants, no? Dalawang puno ng tomatoes. Okay, so itong dalawang puno ng tomato, in fact, meron na siyang, the other one, if you can see, hindi sila sabay lumaki, oh. So this one is up to here only. Tapos yung isa, kung map-focus ko sa camera, itong isa, meron na siyang flower, pero parang yung flower niya, hindi siya masyadong happy, oh. Parang hindi siya masyadong nagbo-bloom. Okay, so ano ngayon ang gagawin ni Ma'am Claude bilang siya ang hardinera? Okay, so I realized that when I planted these two tomatoes in one pot, nung maliit pa sila, tama lang eh, kayang-kaya pa nila ng soil nila i-sustain, yung ng nutrients, yung dalawang maliliit na puno ng kamatis. However, as they grow, both of them grow, yun na nga, na-realize ko na yung isa, hindi siya masyadong makabulaklak ng tama or nahuhulog yung mga bulaklak niya. So, and then, I realized na ang reason pala is yung pot na pinaglagyan ko sa kanya, considering its size, yung hindi na niya kayang ma-accommodate yung dalawang kamatis. Hindi na niya kaya mag-grow ng dalawang kamatis na healthy in one, considering the size of the pot. So yung nutrients ng lupa niya, kaya niya lang masustain yung isang kamatis. Okay? So what do I do now? Bilang isang responsible hardinera, kung yan yung kung that is the situation, no, na itong lupa na to, ang nutrients na to, kaya lang masustain ang isang puno ng kamatis. So I really have to make a decision, no? Very difficult bilang isang hardinera kasi pinalaki ko na silang dalawa dito na siya nagkaugat. Ang pangarap ko sa kanilang dalawa, maging healthy sila sa isang pot na to. But then, I need to make a very difficult decision ngayon na kailangan yung isa, kailangan ko siyang i-transplant, no? Kailangan ko silang paghiwalayin. Kailangan may matirang isa lang because otherwise, if I don't do that, baka pareho silang mamatay or pareho silang maging hindi productive, pareho silang hindi mamunga, no? So, that's why, as I mentioned, it's a very difficult decision, but I have to do it, no? I have to make a call. Okay. So, similarly, meron tayo ngayon crisis, no? It's all about COVID, and because of COVID, no, several companies initially kaya nila when they hired this so much number of people, kaya nila for a long time sustain lahat ng number of employees na to. However, when the crisis came, no, because of this COVID, suddenly it's very unprecedented, no? Everything is so unfamiliar to all of us, no? Suddenly walang business, walang collection. So, the CEO or the hardinero, the equivalent of the hardinero, had to make a very difficult decision of letting go some people, di ba? Because similar to the one kamatis that I have to remove from the pot, no, para hindi pareho silang mamatay, no? So the CEO, I'm sure, or the head of the business, very difficult for them to do that decision. But then kung yan yung kailangang mangyari or kailangan maging desisyon para masustain yung business at tuluyan siyang mag-operate, then as painful as it may mga pagkakataon talaga na he needs to make that executive decision, no? So isang kamatis kailangan bunutin or kailangan tanggalin, or out of 1,000 employees they can only sustain 800, so the 200 employees needs to really go somewhere else. Gusto ko mag-focus dun sa pagta-transplant or pag-handle ng redundancy or retrenchment. Kasi for example, sa kamatis na to, no, painful na nga naaalisin ko siya. Sakit na nga na mawawalan siya ng pot niya. Maa-uproot siya, okay? Madidisturb siya. Something na hindi niya inakala na time will come, ako mismo yung tatanggalin ko siya dito or magkakaroon siya ng discomfort, okay? So similarly, same, no, with the employees. Yes, it's painful. But then, yun na nga, as I said, the CEO has to do it, no? So, nothing personal, but it's really just the survival of the business. So ang focus ko lang talaga, ang focus ko dun sa vlog ko na to, is to tell the tomato na mata-transplant o mare-relocate, that, or to the employees who will be part of the retrenchment and the redundancy program, that everything happens for a reason. Yes, painful, hindi natin maintindihan kung anong nangyari, bakit akong kamatis na ito at hindi siya yung transplant. But then you just have to trust the process, God's process, okay? So I know that it's very difficult to trust when things aren't going our way, but we just have to trust God's process, okay? We just have to believe that after this pot, there will be several pots, waiting for you, in different colors, in different sizes, same with some employees who will be retrenched. I'm sure God has a reason why these things happened, and just trust the process. Soon enough, you will realize that kaya mo palang dumiskarte sa buhay, either through another employment or through running your own business, So trust God's process and believe that there's a perfect time for everything and everyone. So we just have to slowly huhukayin mo yung lupa. Make sure na hindi masasaktan yung ugat nilang dalawa. Make sure that whoever is assigned to talk to the affected employees, make sure na may dignity dun sa process, okay? As it is, losing a job, losing a livelihood is really very difficult and painful. So the last thing na pwedeng mangyari sa employee na na affected ng mga redundancy at retrenchment is, parang they will just be floating around, walang kumakausap sa kanila, walang nagsasabi ng totoo, 'di ba? So, just please uphold the dignity of your employees and be compassionate, no? So, same, ito, yung tomato, the other tomato, I'm trying my best na hindi ko masaktan or maputol ang mga lahat ng ugat, which will make him alive sa susunod niyang pat. So, mahirap, masakit. Then, for as long as we live, we will encounter different situations such as this. I will keep on repeating. We just have to trust God's process, no? There's really a perfect time for everything and everyone. So, patience, hintay-hintay lang tayo. So, see, I was able to get the other one with the roots, which will help him sustain kung saan man siyang path mapunta in his next life. Okay. So now, I will transplant this tomato into a new pot. Okay, so you just have to dig a hole in the middle, make sure na makakalubog lahat ng ugat niya. Okay, there. And then cover it with the soil. And then later, I will put some water para tuloy-tuloy ang kanyang bagong bahay. Okay? So, there. There you are. Our brand new house for our new tomato. So now I have my 2 tomatoes. Yes, they are planted in separate pots, but I'm sure both of them are happy. And soon enough, magbibigay sila ng, pareho silang magbe-bear ng mga healthy at mga juicy na tomatoes. Okay? So, for employees, some will be left behind, others will be planted in another pot, either through another employment or running your own business. But the thing is, both of you mag-grow separately, and pag magkita kayo uli, nakakatuwa, no, na pareho na kayong asensado sa buhay. The other employee who was left in the company, sila yung tumulong, and ikaw, you have your own new stories to tell, okay? Success story to tell. So, ang saya, diba? Na pag nakita kayo ulit. Okay, minsan may mga plano si Lord na hindi natin maintindihan, 'di ba? But paulit-ulit ako, we just have to trust God's process. So I leave you with this very assuring promise from the Lord, no? And it's from Jeremiah 29:10. It says, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and future." Okay, so I'm hoping and I'm praying for everyone's bright future. And cheer up. Huwag masyadong matagal malungkot, no? Cheer up and wait for your own new path. I'm sure it's coming very, very soon, where you will bloom and grow fantastically. Okay? So, happy. So, that will be all for this vlog, and I will request once again, no, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. I love you all. Remember, there will be sunshine after the rain, okay? Again, so this is your Tanimam ni Ma'am Claude. Goodbye!